Welcome, welcome. All right, everyone. What is going on? Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. Of course, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Hope you're having a great end of your week and are all set to have a nice, relaxing weekend. Or maybe you're going to be working like me this weekend. I don't know, whatever it is. Hopefully, you're going to have a good one, spending time with family, friends, all the really important stuff. Today, we're going to we're going to jump back into where we left off yesterday, which was designing and building out a website for a client. And usually Fridays, we kind of want to do like Financial Fridays, but in business, the clients and the customers are usually the most important thing because they're the ones that give you money, and this needs to get done. So we're going to work on that because we need to get it done by Monday. So we're likely it's going to spill over into the weekend, but that's okay because that's our job. This is what we do. And of course, what we're trying to do here on the Unconventional Mindset is build ourselves a company or a business, in this case, Pixel Media, which is a creative agency which focuses on building Webflow websites. And we want to build this company into one that generates us $1 million in revenue every single year. So that's what we're going towards. So maybe it's like, $85K per month, which is crazy to think about. But, as we did in previous videos and previous live streams, we did a bunch of planning out to seeing how much revenue we'd actually have to generate and how many different clients we'd have. And it's actually not that much if you kind of put it into perspective of how many people in the world say, need a website or whatever. So anyways, enough rambling around and let's get right back into it. So where did we leave off yesterday? We left yesterday on the homepage. Let me just throw on some music here. Do we have music playing? We don't. There we go. Okay, so we left off yesterday with our home page. So we have the header up here, the main navigation. We have the countdown for when this conference is going. Yeah, this is a conference, and this is kind of the name of the conference is Lipids in the Ocean. And then here's just, I guess, tagline, I guess you can say. This is when the conference is. Program, no information on the program yet, coming soon. Registration, so there's some registration informations, deadlines, conference fees, registration. Actually, there probably should be a button here that says register now. That's, of course, coming soon. Venue, accommodations, transportation, and then the footer, which actually, let me delete this because I have a component here for a footer. And I had it dark yesterday. I don't know if you remember that, with a lighter background color, but I have this here as a dark color, which I think works a little bit better. I'll have to change these icons here as well. We'll see how things go. So that's it for the home page. And then I started work on one other page. So this is an internal page, and this is for the abstracts, or this is the abstract page. And you know what I should probably do is, while I'm here, we want one that's current. There should be something for current. Unless this isn't linking. Oh, external. It's not external, it's to a page. Okay, there we go. Now we have current, and let's make the color, should we make it off-white? Or actually, that's the one thing about symbols, is they're annoying to get in there and actually work on. Okay. We're actually going to make that off-white. And then we are going to go down into hover. And we're going to make it teal. Perfect. Actually, let me go back. No, I want it white. And then I want current to be teal. Okay. There we go. Much better. but we have to do the same thing for here. That's white. But on hover, we need to change it to teal as well. We need to give it a little bit of a transition for the text color. Ease in and out, quad. There we go. Why isn't this just shuffle playing? Okay. We're gonna have to get rid of that icon. It's hideous, but don't need to worry about that now. So just little details. Okay, and yeah, on this internal page, you basically have the name of the page and then the details here on the side. I wonder if we can make this thing sticky. Make it sticky. Just like that. I don't mind that. Oh, actually, not on here, but on here. Sticky title. Oh, can that not be sticky? No, it should be able to. It should be sticky. Of course, that won't make any sense. Why is this one okay? So that one works just fine. What the hell? Why isn't this working? Well, let's just put it 0 for now. Well, not working. Is it the type of display? Oh, I think it's maybe because of the page container itself. Yeah, because if I change that. So, that being said, hang on a second. So if I put this as sticky, like whatever. Yeah, everything else is going to flip. Okay, so that's not good. We need to figure out. If it's a grid, is that going to allow me for this to be sticky? No, not in a grid either. Well, damn it. Unless it's a relative position. It's like it wants to, but not really. What the hell? Okay, maybe give this a refresh. Any browser still not. Interesting. Okay, let's undo a few things here. It's fine if it's vertical, just not if it's like this. I wonder if, hang on. There we go. So now that element is still fine. Okay, just needed to get it into another element. Because that item, this div block within the element still needs to scroll up with it, but I can't. Otherwise, this will scroll up the whole way that the flex operates. So this is good. That works. Let's just give it a name. Sticky container. And let's rename this to sticky content. Which already exists? Where does it exist? Maybe let's clear some. Remove. Okay. So rename sticky content. Okay. So now I think we are good. Let's duplicate this page. And we're going to call this one sponsorship. Sponsorship. And I think basically there's nothing. So let's just put on how to sponsor lipids in the ocean 2024 is coming soon. And then we're gonna go current sponsors. We need this to get some space. Bottom 5. Actually, it needs, yeah. Current sponsors, Dalhousie. Who is this? Central Institute of Fisheries Technology. Oh, images. Huh, this must be it. Can I download it? Oh, goodness. Let's put it... Okay, keep that there. Okay. Assets, logos. Oh, I'll throw that one in there. What is it called? Central Institute of Fisheries Technology. Okay. I also need a few more logos. This one, Dalhousie University, and oh, it's SVG. Do I have? PNG. Let's do this one instead. Oop. Okay, so now we need... Well, we need to delete all this stuff. That does not matter, because that's old stuff. Now we need to make... sponsorship gallery. So Control Enter, sponsor, just sponsorships. We'll just call it sponsorships. Yeah, that'll work. And sponsorship. Sponsorship company, or let's just say organization. And then in that sponsorship organization, there's going to be an image, which will be the actual sponsor. Actually, oh, excuse me. First sponsor, use alt text. Yeah, that's fine. And we're going to call this sponsorship logo. Sponsorships. Let's give this 3-column. Gap in between. 3 seems pretty good. Although... Well, let's see how this looks with the other logos that we got going on. We have this one. And this one we have this interesting looking logo. Okay. Okay, the first things first is we want to center things. And I think with the logos, let's say like a max height, but then also a max width. Okay. I'll make sure things are proportionate. That's the problem sometimes with logos, getting everything looking proportionate. Can be difficult. Okay, get rid of that. Interesting. I want to justify it left, but I want it to be full. There we go. That's more like it. And actually, what we can do, I'll throw these in a link. Control Enter. Dal.ca. I wonder what's going to be easier to do. Fi.ca. Copy, paste. But what's the website? Is this it? I guess it's it. Sub 1957. Lots of fisheries. Website last updated today. It's professional habit to look at people on other websites. Oh my goodness, they do a whole lot of stuff. Curious what is powering this website. Bootstrap. Tracking code. SVG. Scroll. Use ticker. Interesting. Oh my goodness. my. Well, I'm not sure what was actually used to build this. Don't know. Can't tell from there. Anyways, this is probably the site. So let's go here, update the link, and then away we go. Okay, that is the sponsorship page. Let's update this menu item here to link to the actual sponsorship page. Actually, we should do the same thing here for the footer. Page sponsorship. Abstract, the same thing. Do I have something for home? I think you need to go to the home page, dude. This one is home page / program. Okay. Then we have the same thing here for this footer nav. Let's go to hover. We'll do that. And then, of course, current. That's it's going to show, but not very well. We'll do that. Maybe not so much for the footer. Maybe we'll just do it very, very subtle. Make it white. Pretty much can't tell the difference. Then don't do it at all if you can't tell the difference. Okay. Now, the about section is where it's going to be a little bit tricky because we've got lots of content to pull over from previous events. So, just very quickly, let's go. Yeah, abstracts, duplicate, register, create, registration. Yeah, registration. Registration is coming soon. Literally, that's it. So footer. Now I want to push this down. What's going to be the best way to push that down? I mean, part of me is thinking to position it absolutely, so it's going to be at the bottom. And then of course, I mean, do I make it 100%? Yeah. So let's see if that does anything to the other pages. Actually, let's publish it. So, but if we go to abstracts, oh yeah, so that's not good. Yeah, that's not good at all. So What can we do? I mean, we could make this a minimum height. Minimum height. Alright, maybe even this. Internal page. Minimum height. Like 50. And that should push it down. Maybe let's give it 60. That's a minimum. Nah, 50 is okay. And yeah. And abstract. Sponsorship. And program, that's not going to link. Abstracts is going to link. Everything looks good here. This almost looks like a button. So I might have to change this a little bit. Put like a little icon here or something. Okay, we got registration. Internal page, register. Okay, and now the last page. Actually, I think we'll duplicate this page in case we need to reuse some of these elements. And abstract, yep. And duplicate. About. Okay, so some very simple copy and paste here. Now we need some bullet points. Throw some here. Our fancy list. Studies, blah, 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 have involved. I'm just copying and pasting here from, oops, from the text, from the Word document that I received from the client. Although I'm going to fix some things because I think this should be capitalized at the start, considering how everything else was as well. So we're just going to keep things consistent. If they don't like it, I'm sure they can let me know. Why am I copying this? These are easy words to type. Molecular biology. Okay. About the conference. This can be deleted. Excellent. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. And copy, paste. I don't like this because this is always going to need to be updated, but so be it. These ones are all going to be links. Insert link. And link. And we're going to make those pages for those old pages. Okay. You know, we got, what do we got? So we got the sticky container, page content. Can I see justify gap is 12? I want to set this thing like a specific width. Or should it be a minimum even? Because sponsorship, that's probably even more. Oh, it's just barely. What? Why is that different now? So abstracts, look at this. Okay. And about okay, that's different. There's something with this page that's not right. Maybe it's okay. Yeah, okay, we'll keep it at that for now, and then we're gonna make this gap smaller. Again, we're gonna have to fix this for different screens as well, obviously. This is just for the big widescreen area. Okay, so we have our about, that's our generic about page. Now let's duplicate this page. Actually, let's go in here, let's create a new folder. And this will be about, and can we move it up? Oh no, just one down. It's not working. Anyways, that's fine. The next one, this is going to be, what's it called? Sorry, let's bring up my document. Lipids 2018. Let's go with that. What's going on here? Lipids 2018. And put that in the about folder. About to, what the hell? Okay, that's not what we want. Something happened. Hang on a second. Okay, we'll save that. Oh, what the hell happened? I just completely messed something up. Did I not duplicate the page? Instead, I just deleted it somehow? No parent folder. I think I just deleted that page, the about page, by accident. Okay, and let me look at this slug again. Why is it about 2? Slug is not about. Ugh. Okay. Weird. Okay, now I think we're rocking. There we go. About/lipids. Okay. So this is lipids 2018, right? Conference program. So I'm supposed to copy this. This looks like the old website for 2018. How much of this shit should I copy over? I think really... No, let's get this. So we're gonna name it. Oh, actually, cancel. Well, we'll keep it the same name. And I'll close this. How much of this stuff should we copy? Do we need all of this stuff? Well, I mean, obviously the first thing to consider is what the client gave me. And they said that they want the program, which is this page. This program needs to be in there. Oh, which is quite annoying, actually. I gotta copy all that stuff in there. Oh, there's gotta be a way. How am I gonna do this? No, because a lot of these programs, these look like... Are some of these posters? Okay. Okay, well, we'll have to get that program in there somehow. And let's see. Let's close that. Close that. Close that. What about this last paragraph? Yeah, it's tough to just condense all that and cut all this middle stuff out. Maybe just these first two, actually. They're not bad. Okay. fungi and bacteria. Okay, X that. Paste there. I think that's supposed to say pathways. Interdisciplinary. Interdisciplinary. How was it spelled before? There we go. Fix that up. Okay. And now bottom 10. Let's do the program. Oh, shoot. What to do for this? You know what? We're just going to... Oh. We are going to take this. I'm going to throw it here. Actually, I have a few other things I know I want to take. I want to take one of these. November 17. November, remember the 5th of November. V for Vendetta. Check it out. Fantastic movie. Although nowadays it seems more like a documentary than a movie, sadly. Okay. Remember. No, I got that movie in my mind. Okay, what am I doing? Right. Okay. So that's a dot. Let's go FNL date. Because we're going to have okay. We're going to have that, and we're going to have a minimum width. And we are going to take a look at the what color do we want this to be? We don't want it to be the link color. What do we have for the other ones? I don't think I saved the colors. Let's go about, no, let's go into abstract. We got our dark violet, which I like. Abstract, lipids, date. We are now dark violet. And we'll go in here, copy this, and paste. Now that should be it, except for just a lot of boring copy paste. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how many more I'm going to need. X. That one. Coffee break. Is there another way I can do this? I think by the time I figure out how to write some kind of script for this, it'll be like way too late. Way too late. X. Lunch. Ugh, stop it. Ah. Break. No, I think this is still faster. Okay. So we have that. Building, building, building. Isn't this a lot of fun? So, oh god, there's so many to do. This is a lot. This one looks very similar. Okay, let's divide this a little bit here. Make this smaller. That's as small as I can make it. I wish I can't hide this stuff, can I? Focus mode. Oh, no. That doesn't help. I can't horizontally scroll. Can I go? Let's get rid of that. That'll help. And okay, there we go. As long as I don't refresh the page, I should be okay. I just want to move that a little bit so I could maybe see this better. Okay, much better. And what I actually can do as well is I gotta remember to lower this back. Why is it going up whenever I do that? Oh, because there's less text. I gotta remember to put this back to 35. Okay. So delete, delete, delete. We're gonna copy both of these. We're at November 18 now. And thankfully we have, it looks like a lot of the same times. 10:45 break. Oh, super nice. Oh, this is actually even the same title. Workshop 2, numerical tools for, oh, excellent, excellent. Oh, hey Dan, thanks for the comment. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Curious to know what brings you by. Or just like watching somebody slave away doing a bunch of copy paste work for a client. Okay. All right. On to November 19. I think I just deleted something by accident. Ah, looking up Webflow stuff. Ah, right on. Is there anything in specific that you're looking for? Because maybe if it is, there's something that maybe I can help you out with here in real time. But I will say, if you're looking at Webflow, you come to a great tool. Like, I love Webflow. I've been developing websites for over 15 years now, and I absolutely love Webflow. It's works really, really well. There are, of course, like any tool, there's some limitations to what it can do. But for the most part, especially for me, when I'm dealing with clients that don't need anything too fancy, for the most part, it's perfect. It's beautiful. Okay. Oh, this is different time. Why does it have to be a different time? 9 o'clock to 10:30. You know what? Maybe if I just copy the times. Perfect. And I think it actually catches up here after lunch break. Yep. 12 to 1:30 lunch. Yep. And now off to workshop 4. Break at 3 o'clock. Whoop. And workshop 4 at the end. This one ends at 17:30. 5:30. Excellent. That works for November 19th. Now the 20th. Oh, this one. No. Is there any script? What can I do? I mean, I could scrape stuff. How can I do it? No, but see, I could... I mean, I guess I could make it into a collection. If I put everything in a CSV file, I can have that CSV in a collection, and I could just upload the dates. I could create it into a collection. How many do I have to go? What does the code look like? Oh, no, not here. Here. It's in a table. How long is it going to take for me to develop a script for this? feel like by the time I get a script, I'll be done with the cut and paste. Oh, it's always a cat and mouse game sometimes. Especially with me when I haven't used Python in a while. Oop. So to remember how to write that script probably take me longer than doing this the old-fashioned way. So we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Copy, paste. How many more I'm going to need? Dun, 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 dun. This isn't too bad. Just don't want to make a mistake. So much cutting and pasting. What am I doing? I know I have shortcut keys. What are my shortcut keys on my keyboard? Oh, I don't have the Logitech app here. Ah, dang it. That's not what I wanted. Is it this button? No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. I must have had a reset. I'm just thinking my keyboard has macros, and I totally forgot to reinstall the software that controls the keyboard, because I could just have one key for my cut and paste. So annoying. Always something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Copy. Paste. Copy. Oh. Paste. Okay. Now let's just go back to the top and do the times. Do I like using the MX keys? Do you mean the mouse keys? Is that what you mean? I'm not sure exactly what you mean by the keys, but I'm just using just the keyboard just to copy and paste everything. Some of these... Oh, they're not all the same. I have a feeling, Dan, that you're saying something that I should probably know. And that might be saving me a whole lot of time and hassle. Lunch. This is after the coffee break. And last one. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm definitely regretting the decision of just copying paste. 2 more to go. Oh, maybe it wasn't so bad. And did it skip a day? Oh, I skipped a day. November 20th. Wait a minute. Did I miss one? November 17th, November 18th, November 19th. Did I delete one? Are you kidding me? I think I did. I think I accidentally deleted one. This is workshop 2. Deleted the workshop 2 and 3. Or the workshop 3 and 4. Man. Thankfully, it's not too bad of a deal. But still. Okay, we got 17, 18, 19. Yeah, this should be in a collection. Definitely should be in a collection. But I know it's static as well. Actually, I think this is a static website as well too, so not having a collection does save some money. Or is it going to be... Or is it going to have a collection? I don't know. I don't know yet. But anyways, not having a collection definitely saves money, of course, because you only have to pay for the basic plan. So November 19th. We got the different time here. All right. Let's get this one over with quick. (9 to 10:30). 10:30 to 10:45. Coffee break. And we got 10:45. Workshop 3. Oh yes, I remember doing this. And this is the same. At 15:30. Okay. And we got November 20th. And now we got November 21st. November 21st. November 21st. Here we are. Yeah, and all the dates and all the times are different. Okay, now the key is going to be not duplicating anything. Not erasing anything either. Daily cycles. We got 2 coffee breaks. Only need 1. Sorry if I'm being a little bit too quiet. I'm just trying to focus here on making sure I don't delete anything or erase any of my work, and of course that I cut and paste everything in the right spot. It is interesting actually reading all these papers and these studies that these people are doing. I, of course, did my master's degree in biology, which kind of helps because I kind of understand what these guys are talking about. Whoops. When I'm making this website. Where was I? I think I was here. And paste, and we just need 1 more for the conference dinner. Nice. Okay. Now let's get our times put in place. And then we'll be at the last one. Oh my goodness. No, that's here. There we go. How nitrogen? Oh, I see how this thing's working. It's got these little dots to showcase that they're within that time period. Ah, I see. I see. Okay, well, we'll style that actually to make that look a little bit better. I was getting a little confused here because the time just jumped. Yeah, we'll give it a little bit of a jog, which will look nice. Yeah. I have a few ideas already. We'll just get the data in and then we'll make it look nice. What time is it? 2:49 p.m. Definitely need to finish putting all these in before I finish today. Oh, get all of it. And excellent. And now only one more. These times. Can I copy these times? 9 to 10:20. That's the same. Maybe the times will be very similar for this one on Thursday. Let's see. Last one, November 22nd. Housekeeping, that looks like it's the same. And the time is the same, which I'm loving. Time's still the same, 10 to 10:20. Coffee break. Yes, the same. This, although unfortunately goes to just to noon, but it's still 20-minute intervals for each talk. So 10:40 to 11. 11 to 11:20. 11:20 to 11:40. Oops. Select. And then we have 11:40 to 12. Oh, this is still the same. Oh, it's a summary. Okay, interesting. Interesting. I like it. Lunch still at the same time, 12:20 to 2. Perfect. Same spot. Same spot. Okay. Lunch. Then we have 14, except this is to 1500. Marine lipids. Yeah, I already copied that. Okay. Uh, 14 to 1420. this looks like where the time is going to diverge a bit. Okay. You know what? Let's just keep going this way, and I'll come back and get the time. So structure. I think this is CO2. So what that's supposed to be. And coffee break. Structure. Use of this. Solution. Paste that. And we just need 3 more. One. Ah. 2. And 3. Excellent. All right. Let's go up in the time until it's the same. No. There we go. Okay. A coffee break. Characterization, and it's the CO2. And then we are 1400 to 15. And then 1440 to 1540. Okay. Oh, we're done. We are done. Okay. So we are done. And let's just, before we forget, we have to have our sticky. Let's bring that back to 35. No, that's not what I want. Okay. So I think we want to look right here. So these are like the main ones, and then these ones are underneath. So what would be the best way to do? Should we move over everything, or should we move over just the text? I think we should move everything over. So let's give that a second level. Yeah, second level. But let's not be lazy. Let's get rid of that, because we don't need that if it's going to be second level. I almost should have done this beforehand. If I just control enter second level, I don't know if that's going to be more or less mouse movements. Excellent. Oh. I feel like this is faster than typing. Sometimes. Oh boy. Second level, second level. There you go. 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I need to finish. Gotta finish by 3:30. This is where, when I'm thinking about the company and the business, of ideally for me to have another employee that I can take, that can work with me, that can do all the Webflow stuff, whether it's getting the content ready or what have you, so I can focus on other things like doing client relations or going out there and getting new customers and all that fun stuff, instead of doing the actual work. That's when I think business is really going to start to get fun. When I can have other people on my team and we're all working together towards a common goal. Don't do that. Move the mouse in the right spot to delete. All right. Okay, I mean, that's it, I think, for that section. And let me just look at my notes here. Right, so what the client is looking for. Whoops, don't do that. Stupid. The program and also the book of abstracts. Right. So the book of abstracts, I did download that. And where did I put it? Right, book of abstracts. Let's load it up here. Images. Oh. Yeah, let's do folder. Documents. Okay. And I think what would be really good, you know what? Let's put it right here. Link. And this is going to be download the book of abstracts. And I think we just need to make this a button, which we don't have that class. We have this class here. So what are we going to do? Let's blah, 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 blah. Okay, no, go back to button. Okay, hang on. Let's give it a background. We want our teal color. And then we want our actual color. Let's make it our deep sea color. And let's take a look again here. Hold down Control. No, hold down Alt. And this one. We do not want text decoration. What else do we want? We want a border radius. I think we want it quite modest. What is that font? I think it's the same font. Oh, now it's saying that there's other. It is button, but not. Shoot. So you're going to annoy me considerably, aren't you? Yeah, you definitely are. Okay, let's look at this button. Need to put the size. What size was it? I need to check. I need to check. 1.25. Okay. And this internal H1, let's give it some breathing room. And then we're going to add an effect to our buttons as well too, because this is just a little too boring. All right, well, now that I'm thinking about it, the way I did the first button on the homepage was completely wrong, because I should have put it as a like a drop shadow. Anyways, so let's go hover. Drop shadow. Box shadow. Here we go. No blur. Angle. Oh. Okay. There we go. Color. Look for a little bit of that coral look. And then, of course, as it's hovering, well, actually, it won't be if I change the actual background color. Nope. And no. It's only when hovered on. So let's go none. And let's do transition all. There we go. That's gonna do it for that too, which I don't want it to do. God. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, it's annoying I can't get. Okay, if I get the distance away more, and then I could lower the size. Oh no, that makes it look stupid. Size is 0. There, I like that better. Now there's more separation. Okay. So I want to edit this one here. You don't do that at all. And if I go to the about, okay. Friend. it's in 2018. Here's lipids in the ocean. That's just gonna move up a little bit, which is fine for now. That's got everything. Let's go home. Ah, which I can't do. Edit this logo link. Where are you going? Take me home, please. I thought I did these already, but I guess not. Refresh. Now take me home. Conference is in 300 days. Perfect. The about is not linked to anything yet. About there. And I think, whoop, what I need to do here is let's take a look at our nav bar. Let's extend this so I can see. And I need to take a look at the drop down list. So maybe just show this for a second. So about lipids. Lipids 2018. And you are linking to 2018. And you, of course, are linking to about lipids 2020. Oh, am I entering? And then lipids 2021. This is lipids. Okay. Okay, none of this is styled. Oh, why is it? Should not save. Oh shit, that's on the home page. Of course. Damn it. The home page has a different. That's a different menu, which I need to maybe replace. Delete that and put that there. That should work. That should work. About lipids. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Coming together. And this program, yeah, it's not going to go down here, but it goes to this. That should just scroll down nicely. Oh, actually. That should be that. There we go. That's when I'm here. If I go to program, Well, what is... Hang on. Let me see what I have here. It's also... I thought I... Man. Oh, right. So I need an external URL. I don't know if that's going to work. We'll have to see. Oh, and I misspelled it. Let's just program. Yeah, of course it's going to work there. But get the abstracts, now get the program. Okay, good. It works. No nice scroll effect, but that's okay. Okay. I think we're at a decent enough spot where I can take a little bit of a break, rest my back. And it's Friday, so it is Pizza Friday over here at my place. If you don't already know, now you do. So yeah, time to spend some time with the family, which is why I kind of like Fridays. Is I try to take off a couple hours earlier and spend the rest of the day not working, which is kind of nice. But we'll be back at it here, for me anyways, on the weekend to get this website finished, and probably on Monday I'll just maybe give you guys a little bit of an overview or tour of what we have so far. And yeah, I think we're really needing to start getting into, well, obviously our newsletter and our YouTube videos, which we need to do, which I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to film and edit all the YouTube videos because I haven't even gotten to it yet. But maybe, just maybe, I could at least launch the newsletter. Oh my goodness, because it needs to get done. Anyways, enough rambling. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for popping in, everyone. Much appreciated. And keep plugging away. Have yourself a fantastic weekend. And of course, I'll be back here with a brand new stream on Monday. Have a great weekend.